So whenever Filipinos find out that I don't speak Tagalog or Ilocano, and they always tell me the same thing, why didn't you learn? You should learn it. I realize that, like, I didn't grow up learning it. Like my parents didn't teach it to me. And then they always say, oh, you should learn. It's so easy to learn. You can just, start learning it. Which to me is the dumbest thing, because to me, Tagalog or Ilocano or any Filipino language is a foreign language to learn.
Kunam lang data, nagatulaki tinga tagkipuri. I don't speak Ilocano or Tagalog. Aya, duro. Kastoy manay ti kong kunagaw na apaw. Lagi tinagan na dita, ti kunana matita ka ng sinurusuruan nga sao iti Ilocano kong Tagalog. Kahit duduugan kan kinam tetsuraam. Awan tim posible, kayang masurusuruan no talaga kayat mo.
Oh yes.
Ilocano ka, Filipino ka, I'm so proud, but I don't speak the lingo. How can you be so proud as a Filipino and ashamed to speak the lingo? You know what I'm saying? Amok nga isolated kayo, madi kayo na yung Pilipinas. Come on, man. Duwa nga Pilipino, duwa nga Ilocano, itinaganak mo. Tinaganak yun, tapos kasta. It's hard to learn. I'm like a foreign, it's like a foreign language for me to learn Ilocano and Tagalog. It's the dumbest thing to do. Like, then, man. So, amin, di tako na lang ro din namin amin nga naganak. Nga agtatiputot ko anak na yan nagtabalas yung tao. Nagpapado tayo nagkaputi baryaw, nagkaputi rigat.
Oh yes.
So suran nyo da kita putot kan anak yaw, tanong madita nga kastoy nga mangibabain, you know what I'm saying? Be proud, homie, you know what I'm saying? You don't need to hide, you don't need to be ashamed who you really are. Just embrace it. It's in your blood. Rip it, represent it.